Intrusion Prevention System automatically takes action against the threat, using techniques such as blocking malicious traffic. An intrusion prevention system may end a user's session, block a specific IP address, or even block all traffic to a target. Some intrusion prevention system solution can redirect traffic to a honeypot, a decoy asset that makes the hackers think they've succeeded when, really, the Security Operations Center is watching them. Removing malicious content. An intrusion prevention system may allow traffic to continue but scrub the dangerous parts, such as by dropping malicious packets from a stream or removing a malicious attachment from an email. Triggering other security devices. An intrusion prevention system may prompt other security devices to act, such as by updating firewall rules to block a threat or changing router settings to prevent hackers from reaching their targets. Enforcing security policies. Some intrusion prevention system solution can prevent attackers and unauthorized users from doing anything that violates company security policies. For example, if a user tries to transfer sensitive information out of a database it's not supposed to leave, the intrusion prevention system would block them.